This video is to share my experience when I install the open source NLTK on my mountain line MacBook. When I look at the website, all you need to do just one command to install the NLTK package. But when I issue this command, I got an error message say the pip not found. So I issue the easy install to install pip. Then I got an error message say the distribution package not be found. So I brew install Python, expect pip to be installed along the way. Then got another error message indicated the brew link failed. That tells me the brew was installed before. So what I did is to remove the previous cached information, which located the home/library/caches/home brew. Now, after all the previous effort, so I issued the brew install Python successfully, no problem. And next, I run the pip command to install NLTK, no problem, perfect. So next, we're going to test our installation. Before we going to test our installed the NLTK package, we need to verify the Python we're going to use will be the latest the version we just installed. So to verify that, we type which Python 3. Then we find that they return me the two different paths. One is /user bin, another is user local bin. The user bin is an indication that Python is built-in version, and user local bin is an indication that Python 3 is installed through the external, in our case, is homebrew. Now we need to change the default, the executable path for the Python. We can do by export the path and put the user local bin at the first one in the path environment setup. Now, when we type which Python, it changes to become /user/local/bin. Let's install NLTK data. To do this installation, we just need to issue one command here. After that, we notice on our home directory, there is a new subdirectory NLTK_data is created. And this directory has a bunch of the subdirectory created, including sentiment, tokenizers, and etc. That's the end of the video, and thank you for watching.